PTI. That's why Pakistan People's Party do work more in all the country Pakistan. In PTI, in government of PTI, no work is done in Pakistan.
PTI is a good from People's Party because people country in the elect list PTI doing increase
Nowadays, more expensive things are more expensive in the government of PTI. In the government of Pakistan People's Party, no one thing is more expensive than nowadays.
how
How you can see in People's Party government dollar rate is 63, and nowadays the rate of dollar according to Pakistan rupee is 173.
but nowadays from first already too much leaders come they take they doing
No, they not doing bribery, and
you see
but
the Nawaz Sharif why
we not talking about Nawaz Sharif,
But-
and we talking just about PTI government
but
and Pakistan people.
but Pakistan in the destroy Pakistan destroy just for example
Now-
we see everywhere whose project China who's taking project China would think in the Pakistan first things
Nowadays in Pakistan, PTI government also take the loan from the IMF. In older era, Pakistan older era government also get the loan. In comparing previous government to now government, that PTI government get more loan from the IMF.
but PTI didn't work everyone person
Where PTI doing work?
you see Umdad give the Umdad yes
It comes from previous times. It's not getting the PTI government.
PTI government give 12,000 everyone
It's not given the government, PTI government.
who give but government PTI government doing the country who give the perpetually
If some the public of the Pakistan government give the taxes, and after that they give to the
why is Zardari gone jail
I don't know about the
but
party, and
he is
we
a People's
want-
Party person. He is a People's Party person.
Yes.
He was doing library from in country. That's why.
we not about
Just-
the Zardari and
But he is the- he is the-
about the PTI and Pakistan People's Party.
People's Party. Who's member of People's Party?
This is and also PTI members take the in the bribery.
From
Arrest-
here. From here. They are taking from here.
Because nowadays the government of PTI, that's why nobody can show not can arrest PTI members, because they're nowadays their government.
But you as you said that PTI doing bribery nowadays.
Yes.
News.
Yes.
True. One is I heard that's Imran Khan have account. There is no money. He only there are 10,000 rupees. But
The nowadays member of PTI, they in previous time they are also members of Pakistan People's Party. If nowadays any government, any party take more seats, and after that more peoples go to their winner party.
nowadays, firstly, PTI gone for Kashmir cases. He gone to UNO. He addressed the war. He said that's why are
Imran
you
Khan also addressing now, doing any
listen to me, let me complete. He said the country members, we are Muslim, we are Muslims. Any one country doing wrong with other country non-Muslims, you are taking action. But we are Muslim, why you are not taking action from our side?
It's good point, and we are not debating about
But-
PTI or
but
PTI
first-
Iran
first-
and Pakistan
first-
Sultan. No,
no,
not the Imran Khan Zardari and otherwise.
And PTI members gone there. But you say you saw that any person gone there for Kashmir is
In PP government
say
also.
anything one thing, they are our Muslims. They doesn't talk about things.
In PP government, People's Party leaders also go to UNO and talking about the Kashmir problem. It's a major issue. It's not solved. It's not solved because it's major issue. Any leader come for in Pakistan and after he say that
What is doing Sindh government?
Sindh
They are
government
the People's Party government. You know that school there no complete subjects come now.
in
But you see the Punjab government there are subjects complete.
the Pakistan people are also work good in Sindh.
But there is no complete subject. How can you say that People's Party doing? There is no subjects, complete subjects come in the schools in the center. There is a People's Party government.
Now in Sindh only Pakistan People's Party government. In federal it's PTI government. Which step taking from the PTI
But
government
PTI
for
say
the
he is a-
federal government?
PTI government
Imran Khan said that I gave 1 crore duties to
Yes. But he doesn't know there's a Pakistan in the black is going on the black list. He take from the green list. He give to them 5,000 crore. I don't know dollars.
If Imran Khan have more tensions about the government public of the Pakistan, he first of all he get knowledge from the about the public, and after that he take the oath of prime minister. If he know that Pakistan is in blacklist, how he could take?
But he said that I will save my country, everything I do my country, and I will first Pakistan American dollars increase and Pakistan rupee is the decreasing. That's it is a problem of dollar. Why? In our country there is no export. What doing import?
In nowadays, middle class family.
How much sugar we take from other countries?
Not be taking from
Yes,
so
we take
in Pakistan
$10 from other countries. We are taking,
Why
but they our
Nowadays-
country has no anything anything
in Pakistan there is no
far-
sugar
far-
mills? Why Pakistan take import from other countries?
But now time sugar cane not cutting.
Now PTI leader Mr. Jahangir Tareen, he is one of the more businessmen in sugar mills, and he stopped the sugar. That's why it's become.
Whom person is sugar cane mills in this Sindh?
What?
Sindh mostly which person have sugar mills?
Zardari.
There are sugar mills
In Sindh-
mostly
in Sindh-
there are sugar mills
And
in
Zardari and
why
Punjab and KPK
He
Mr.
give-
Jahangir Tareen.
he give benefit to person, then person give to them responsibility. People's Party, why people PTI win select the
Because of
party.
the
But
army, that's why PTI won the election.
PTI public doing love with PTI.
Now you see not public loving with PTI because more expensive is done in Pakistan because middle class families
Doesn't know about it.
one times meal. That's why in Pakistan there is more garibi.